Everyone. So basically, in 2021, I joined Young Thinker Academy for the NASA Rose Challenge. I led the team. So when we joined the team, sir and like the whole team set up fact that previously the NASA Rover Challenge, particularly, it's been held since like last 25 years, and unfortunately, till that year, 2020, 2019. No Indian high school team particularly has ever participated because they couldn't qualify the first stage internationally. So it was again a standard set by the other international teams that no Indian high school team was capable enough to go there to even participate. So it was a huge responsibility on me, the whole mentors, like we are participating for the first time, can we crack it? Can we break that record of not being selected? So all across all these things, it was again the academy that mentored us for around 1.5 months, 2 months before the event started. The event started actually from August when we actually started preparing the proposal for sending to NASA. Before that, we were mentored for 2 months, and during mentorship, we were not only taught on technicals but something about life. How these life lessons actually work, how we can be better or how we are better than other teams, but we don't know on what areas. So life lessons were being taught, everything was going on, but the main thing that actually helped me was the peer-to-peer learning, personal mentorships that was going on. The at the same time the hands-on learning. It was pandemic, but still, sir, ma'am, everyone like they arranged something, arranged webinars, workshops. How we can attempt those learnings on hands-on. So it was back then August, September when we actually applied for the NASA thing, and we finally cracked that 25 years record. We finally got selected to participate and represent India in the high school division. So in itself it was a record because we were the first Indian under-19 team during that time. So lots of press coverage was done during that time, and it was a good thing. People got to know about us, but it was a huge responsibility at the same time. And if I can say, the team members in my team, we had 3 people who came from very rural backgrounds. One person whose father is a cycle mechanic from very rural background, like he was doing his IT. There were juniors, 9th graders, 8th graders, 11th graders, and this was like around 10-member team that we were doing. And everyone's eyes was on us because we got selected. That was a very huge national news for everyone. So right now the main motto was leave everything. We got participated, okay, hooray for 1-2 weeks, but the responsibility for the next 6 months was to prepare a mechanical rover, go to NASA, participate, win for the first time. Because till now, till date, I can say 2023, except our team, no other Indian team. There are 2 divisions: college division above 19-age category, under 19-age category. Since 27 years, no other team has ever won the event globally other than this team. So we cracked the 6 months. We learned about manufacturing the rover, mechanical things, designing, hands-on, everything. Starting from these are 3D printers that you see. We started with these 3D printing small prototypes of a rover. Maybe we can show a video later on what exactly how our rover was. We 3D printed our rover that was being taught by the academy, and then we finally started our manufacturing. So it was completely being a peer-to-peer learning. Each division had one mentors. For mechanical, we had a mentor. For 3D printing, we had a mentor. For designing analysis, we had a mentor. We went through design thinking process during that time in our school days. So all these things was going on, and then finally the day came when we actually covered that the event got virtual because of the pandemic. But the rules and regulations kept the same thing, and it went on. And in April, we won the event. So the point being, during this winning and the losing thing this year that I understood I took a team this year also. I participated. We unfortunately didn't win the same. They won a special category award. I went from VAT. I was student of VAT.
It's not our team. It's your team.
Yeah.
It's their team.
So
if we win, everyone win. Every young team.
Yeah. Yes.
And you won the day you took the team there.
So I understood this time that learning, that peer-to-peer mentoring, that hands-on that we got during that time, the team spirit, and the life lessons that we learned as a team over there, maybe I couldn't deliver this time with this team because I didn't have that facilities that we have at Young Tech Academy. So that was the major life lessons that I actually discovered in this whole journey of Young Tech Academy. And what I'm currently doing, or what I have done, and my personal achievements, I have invented like a couple of innovations in sustainable development goals, particularly in agricultural field. I have my own innovation discovering plant diseases and pests using satellite technology and thermal imagery. That's currently India's one of the fastest technology to detect plant diseases. I have been invited by Intel CEO to US to have my innovation particularly working over there because we don't have that satellites in India.
So tell the fact that you went to US way before us.
Yeah,
you got the visa before us.
Yeah. So Intel CEO last year invited me personally to an event called Intel Vision. So there we met Intel partners like Microsoft, Nokia, and other partners over there, and we finally figured out that okay, what I can do in life and all. And currently, right now, I'm working again on some startups ideas that I can actually prototype and I can start a business in India, and then maybe later move on to some other countries to work on that. So I'm being still like a Young Tech Academy student. I'm continuing the work over here. What I can do, however I can participate. So that's it from my side. Thanks so much.
The team who went for NASA Rover Challenge. So